In this training video, we'll guide you through the steps to add a crop in the InField system. You can add your crops by navigating to the Crops section in the left sidebar. In the field view, you can see detailed information for each field, giving a comprehensive look at field data. The crop view displays crops by cultivar and variety, along with the fields they are planted in, for efficient crop management. Select the Add Crops button on the top right corner to capture a new crop. Click on the Field Name column and select the field to which you want to add crop information. If the same crop applies to multiple fields, you can select them all at once. To choose the crop type, select the appropriate option from the crop drop-down, then pick the specific cultivar. The field coverage will default to 100%, but you can adjust this if the crop covers only part of the field. Next, select the planting date and planned harvest date from the calendar. Enter the plant spacing and row spacing in meters, allowing the system to calculate the total plant count. If multiple crops or cultivars are grown on the selected fields, select the Add Crop or Cultivar option, and repeat the steps to complete the information. Once the form is complete, select the Save button. The saved crop information can be reviewed in either views on the crop dashboard. In Field View, you can select the three-dot menu to edit any information. Simply update the necessary fields and save the form. The record will then display the updated data. You also have the option to delete the crop information for a selected field. A prompt will appear, allowing you to either cancel or confirm the deletion. If confirmed, the crop information will be removed from the field. You can then repeat the steps in this video to capture new crop information for your fields. You should now comfortably be able to manage your crop information with the use of InField. For further assistance, please explore our Help Center articles.